So if you're thinking that about trying out Hostinger, here's the deal. Their actually hosting plans come with a 30-day full refund guarantee. That means that you can get a hosting plan, give it a try, and if for any reason you don't like it, you can get your money back. And You also can try different some of their features, the website builder. You can go here to manage, let's say, not here, let's say go to websites and then here dashboards, or here actually in the websites, and then you click on add website and you can create a website with you can create a website with the website builder. Drag and drop website builder. And now if you want to refund, you can go here to this I help, and then here you can click on just billing, and here I want refund. And from here you can have some a plan here. You can click on refund, as you can see. So it's pretty easy, like it's pretty easy to get a refund on Hostinger. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. So take care.